What is going on, my individuals? How are you guys doing? Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. I know it's been a minute since I've been able to just sit down in front of the camera and just chit chat with you guys, you know, just have some nice, good old-fashioned convos, you know what I'm saying? First off, before I jump into this video, I just want to thank you all so much for all the love and support that you've shown me for my new brand, Individuals. I really appreciate all the love, you guys. I'm so stoked about this community brand. I've been wanting to launch this project for so long now. I've always wanted to start something that really involves all of you guys. So if any of you guys want to be a part of Individuals, you can join for free right now in the description below. And if you join, you will also get a freaking free gift from myself. So be sure to jump on that right now. All right, so let's jump into this video. You guys are probably wondering what the heck's going on with my hair right now. I haven't been styling my hair like this, just so you guys know. But as you guys can see, it's getting longer. It's starting to go, it's like pretty much over that ear right there, dude. It's pretty sweet. There's no product in my hair right now, that's why it looks kind of bad. But we're gonna be applying some products, some good stuff. We're gonna be freaking, dude, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I've been rocking my hairstyle lately. And again, yeah, I haven't been rocking it like this. I don't feel like it's long enough yet to be rocking it like this. It's almost there, but not quite. And I'm also thinking about growing out the sides, you guys, because right now I'm still rocking the undercut. So anyways, gosh, dude, my eye freaking itches, bro. Now my eye's gonna be all red. Okay, cool. I think I'm cool. Am I cool, guys? Am I good to go? Okay, let's do this. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now is go to the bathroom, get my hair nice and wet, reset my hair follicles. All right, cool, now my hair is nice and wet. So I'm gonna take my comb, my wide tooth comb, sleek it back. Yes. All right. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and apply some of this stuff. This is actually a product that we are working on right now. For those of you that don't know, I am part owner of the premium hair care brand called Shampoo. And yeah, so we're working on something a little new right now. I'm gonna apply this to my hair right now, see what happens. Feels good. And by the way, for those of you that think your hair is always falling out, just to let you guys know, as humans, we lose like 70 to 80 strands of hair a day. And the reason why all of a sudden, if you guys think that you're losing hair all of a sudden, the main reason is that it looks like all your hair is falling out, but it's truly not. Your hair's always done this. It's just when your hair gets longer, especially like it is like mine right now, your hair becomes much more noticeable. When your hair's like this short, you don't really notice your hair falling out all day long. The only reason why you see them now is because they're so much longer. You got, so see if you guys can see that. See if you guys can see that. I don't know if you guys can see that. So yeah, just a little word of knowledge. A little knowledge of my word. Alright, now that's all up in my hair, it's all in the mix. I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair all into position, which lately I've just been blow drying it all straight back, pretty much. Alright, now that my hair's all dry, we're gonna be applying some ocean clay, baby. And just to let you guys know, there's two really dope sales going on right now. I'll put those sales in the description below. They're good sales, they're good ones. Like the best ones. So if you guys wanna check out Ocean Clay, or if you guys wanna try out the Activating Oil Cleanser, be sure to jump on this sale ASAP. All right, so, let's do this. Let's saturate it. Now we start from the back, go forward with it. All right, and there you go, there's the finished result. And then yeah, we're just going back with it, just like that. Finger combing it. And the fact that I'm kind of starting to grow this out a little bit, so it's kind of looking a little funny because it's not really laying down, it's just going straight out. But yeah, just take a little bit of ocean clay right there. The ocean clay really holds that down nicely, and yeah, you're good to go. Ocean clay, like seriously, especially for longer hair, I don't know, it works so nice. And the great thing about ocean clay too, for those of you guys that don't know, it works like a hair mask, feeding your hair with just healthy nutrients, vitamins, minerals, and all that good stuff. And that's it, you guys. It's a very simple hairstyle. Just blow dry that sucker back. But anyways, yeah, here is the 360. So I've just been styling it straight back, you guys, lately, and if it falls to the side, just because it's getting so long now, I'll just kind of tuck it behind my hair. By the way, if you guys want dimensions of everything right now, the top of my hair goes down It goes in my mouth, so I don't know how long that is. It's probably around 6 inches, maybe 5.5, 6, maybe 6.5. I don't know, somewhere right there. The top back's pretty much the same, maybe a half an inch shorter. I got a haircut about a week and a half ago. When I got the haircut, it was a 1 to a 3. I've been using activating oil cleanser to keep my hair just super duper healthy as possible. I do not shampoo or condition my hair at all, just because of the damaging side effects, so that's why I use activating oil cleanser. So that is it, you guys. That's about it for today's hairstyle video. I want to give some shout outs to some of you guys, to some of my loyal subscribers and viewers, but before I do that, I want to kind of finish this video off with an inspirational word of the day, like we always do. And so today I simply just want to talk about impacting the world, and how regardless of who you are, regardless if you aren't perfect, because none of us are, we're all human, you know, we have our struggles, we have the things that we deal with, we have our insecurities, our doubts. Like I told you guys in my last video, my short film, I struggle with doubt, you know, I let that out there, let you guys know. I wanted to be transparent with you guys. Yeah, I have a lot of great attributes, but at the same time, I have things I deal with too, and one of those things is doubt. The thing is when you have those struggles and you have those flaws, you know, your weaknesses, the whole goal in life is to not let those things stop you from impacting the world. And that's why I created individuals, because I wanted to create something for all of us misfits, you know, for all the ones that feel like they don't fit in, including myself. Growing up, I always felt like I never really fit in, and so I didn't let that stop me. You know, I didn't let that stop me from creating content, from creating my own brand individuals, and from, you know, being a part of Shampoo, and, you know, creating hair products, you know, and now creating music. The main reason why I created this brand right here, individuals, was simply because I wanted to let you guys all know that you don't have to be perfect to inspire the world. Let people be inspired by that. Let people be inspired by the fact that even though you have imperfections, that you still go after your dreams, that you still freaking hustle hard, you know, that you're still on your grind every single day and you're working on yourself. You know, don't let your flaws and imperfections stop you from becoming who you want to be, you know, from reaching your destiny. So again, if you guys want to be a part of Individuals, be sure to visit individualsclub.com, click that join button. You'll go ahead and get a free gift. And if you guys check out our Instagram, if you guys check out our website, this community is all about inspiring and motivating each other. Like for instance, today I got on our Instagram and I was just chatting with you guys. You know, I let you guys all know to DM me about anything you guys are struggling with, and you know, we were just all there for each other. It was really cool. You know, I was able to talk to you guys, kind of help you through some stuff to the best of my knowledge. You know, that's the whole thing about Individuals, is just community, man. We're all there for each other. We're all there to support each other, take each other to the next level. So with that said, I just want to give a few shout outs really quick before I end this video. First off, we got my boy, excuse me, we got my boy Caesar in the house. Thank you so much for all the love and support. We got Emerson. Thank you so much for all the love. And lastly, just want to give a shout out to Exodus. Appreciate all your love and support, you guys. It truly means the world. By the way, I want to give away some free products, like right now, some free ocean clays. Go ahead, write in the comments below. Let me know what you guys want me to do with my hair. You know, it's kind of up to you guys. This channel is about you guys, so let me know in the comments below. Looking forward to chatting with you guys, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you are new. Be sure to like this video, give it a nice big thumbs up if you dug it, and hit the notifications button if you want to be informed when I drop my next video. So until then, you guys, my name is Drexler. Shaka bruh.